What did you have?
We had fried rice with chicken,
Hey.
Prampram.
Hey! And Madam, what did you have?
I had fried rice with chicken. So nice. I fell asleep. Wow.
Goa. And Master, actually, V, what did you have?
I ate fried rice and chicken. Fried chicken.
Okay.
I took some one green bottle.
One for the road.
I
I
like that.
had some jollof rice with
Rupa.
some nice fish crown. Nice. So this is Ocean Green. We have the beach villas in the background. Not sure if you can see. So this is the Ocean Green. You have the apartments over here. You have the beach at the background. Nice swimming pool over there. And if I pan the camera around, some parking space outside, some sand here in front of us. 1 hour, 15 minutes from Tema on a busy day. But if the road is clear, we understand maybe some 45 minutes from Tema, and you should be here. So yes, this is where we are. Come and visit when you are free. Later.
Yeah.
Say bye, Nathan.